What's up, guys? Tony here. Hope you're doing well. Friday, December 22nd. I want to talk a bit about Goldman Sachs planning to launch a crypto trading desk in 2018, as well as the market being down right now. Let's quickly take a look at coin market cap, and we see everything is down. We are having a price correction, and these things are normal and healthy. I know those of you who are new to cryptocurrencies, this can be scary, and we also see in the blogosphere and the news sphere, tech blogs and so forth are sensationalizing this, saying Bitcoin crashed and it's just the end of Bitcoin and things like that. But we already see Bitcoin is starting to correct. So let's quickly take a look at that. Here, Bitcoin currently trading just below 14,000, and we see the correction that took place. So it kept going down, and then it hit the bottom at around $11,833. And as you can see, it's starting to climb its way out of that. We're back to near 14,000. And what the statistics have shown, and someone actually put this together, where they show where Bitcoin, every time Bitcoin has a major price correction, it actually rebounds stronger. And as I mentioned, this is healthy for the market because you can't have a continual bullish market. I'll go into a bit more detail into that a bit later in the video, but let's talk about the main news, which I think is great for crypto and Bitcoin. That's really going to be major when this launches. So Goldman Sachs announced, Bloomberg announced the news that Goldman Sachs will be setting up a cryptocurrency trading desk. And this is something they've been talking about, but it's been up in the air and they weren't sure. And they were, I believe the president of Goldman Sachs was interviewed, and he was like, I don't know if we're going to do this. There's a lot of volatility. So it was really up in the air. They weren't sure if they were going to do it. And now they're serious about it. It's in the works. And here's a direct quote. In response to client interest in digital currencies, we are exploring how best to serve them, the bank told Bloomberg in a statement. And this move would make it the first major bank to embrace trading Bitcoin. It should be live in June 2018. So we got some time here. And this is going to be huge for cryptocurrencies because it sounds like it's not just going to be Bitcoin. It's going to be other cryptocurrencies. So we might see Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, maybe the top 5, top 10 cryptos in there. But now you have a major investment bank that's going to be involved in cryptocurrencies. This is really going to be major, guys. And going on, this is a good segue into the topic of the market being down. I'm still holding. I've seen this before. I've seen Bitcoin crash. I've seen the market being down. And there's a lot of factors contributing to that. Price corrections happen all the time when you're healthy. This one was a bit more big. And the reasons being, around the holidays, we had a lot of people cash out. We also starting to see slower investments because people are more distracted by holidays, family, and things like that. Also, there was some uncertainty added to the market via Bitcoin Cash. Some of you may know about Bitcoin Cash and what happened. It got added to Coinbase. So some of the money that would go to Bitcoin started going to Bitcoin Cash, and there was a pull away from Bitcoin and some confusion. Those of you who are new to the market, that can be confusing to you. Also, we saw Charlie Lee, the founder of Litecoin, sell all of his Litecoin off. So it put a bit of fear in the market as well. So I think you had a collection of these factors that really impacted the market, and people slowed down a bit. Like, okay, let's back up. Let's see what's going on. But this, as I mentioned, is healthy. You can't, even in stocks, you can't have a continual bull run. There has to be some sort of correction. And this is actually really great because it shows that Bitcoin is not some sort of, people are calling it a bubble. It's not a bubble yet. I think as Wall Street gets into it and this big institutional money gets into it, and it's being held by banks and a lot of more people, then it might reach that bubble stage. Right now it's not, because once again, these corrections have happened a lot. If you actually go and research the Bitcoin price history, go back to 2008, guys, and you'll see these spikes and crashes and spikes and crashes, these bull runs. And we had a major bull run, don't get me wrong, in Q4 of 2017 because Bitcoin went mainstream, and Coinbase is adding hundreds of thousands of users, and people are talking about it. So this is healthy. I've had some people message me, saying, oh my God, what's going on? And I told them, hold. I'm holding, and I actually bought some Bitcoin in the dip. So when it dipped down, I bought some. So buying the dip, guys. And I'm holding my Litecoin, my Bitcoin, my Ethereum, my Ripple, and some other few smaller altcoins. But I'm holding, and I expect the market to start recovering. It won't be overnight. I believe in January, we're going to start to see, as people get back to their normal lives, in a sense of the holidays being over, we'll start seeing some growth there. And I think with this news from Goldman Sachs, mid-year, come summer time, or even just leading up to it, maybe April, May, before June, with this news of Goldman Sachs launching this cryptocurrency trading desk, I think cryptos are going to start to skyrocket. And then once they skyrocket, we're going to have another major correction. So just start to get this in the back of your mind, guys, and understand how the crypto market works. Now, if this is not for you, it's not for you. If you want to pull out, sure, you can go ahead, but maybe wait till the prices go up and then you can sell and at least make some profit. But this is how the market goes, and this is why you should only invest what you're willing to lose. And also, many of these cryptocurrencies are long-term holds. They're not just 2-3 months and then could that happen? Yeah, some people did it with Bitcoin with the recent bullish market. But I'm holding for the long term because I know Bitcoin is headed for bigger and greater things, and especially some of these other cryptocurrencies like Litecoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. So I'm holding. Would love to hear what you guys think about the Goldman Sachs news as well as the market being down. What's your strategy? Are you holding? I recommend holding, and if you do want to sell off, wait till it goes back up beyond what you paid for it, and don't panic. This happens all the time. It's healthy for the market. If this was a real crash, Bitcoin would be down to maybe $50. Right? But it's not. It's just these things have happened. Once again, go back and even look at stock market bullish runs that would have price corrections. They usually are around 40 to 50% price corrections. So in the crypto world, this kind of happens almost every month and every quarter. So I know it's a bit different, but do your research, guys. Don't panic. Just read up, look at the history, and go from there. So once again, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Thumbs up this video if you like it, and I'll talk to you guys later.